Did you ask your friend what's the name of your friend, ate? Ah, you only say friend, friend?
Alright. You play the blocks. Yeah. Here, that's one. I love you, Mommy.
I love you, mommy. Okay.
Tawa naman sila.
Alright. You want to be one? Not yet. Doesn't go right here. And I want to pick the blue one.
Come on, Callie, we're going. Oh, they need to sleep now. Tomorrow we're coming, okay? We're coming back tomorrow, okay? Tell Shaya tomorrow.
Please.
Oh, tell to mommy, okay?
Please. Please. I want to go.
Ang ganda ng playroom niya,
I want
oh.
to go. I want to go right there. I want to go down.
Oh, come on, come on.
No, I want to go that. No. I want to go there.
Oh, don't step on it.
Ate, give us space. She wants to go out. Give us space, ate.
Please. I want to go out.
She want to go out, ate. Give us space. Put this one like this.
Oh, go there. But be careful, Callie. Don't step to the toy. Come on. We're coming back tomorrow.
I want to go here.
Yan ang mahirap. Come on, bebe.
I want to sit there. Look at the water.
Oh, nagplay sila. Alanganing oras. Ano?
Yeah. You want to touch? Yeah. It's so cold. Oh. It's cold. It's cold. Friend.
How is it?
Don't touch it. Don't touch right there. I want hand. Not two hand.
Kasi sabi ko kanina, just touch one
Oh,
finger.
okay.
Don't, not two fingers.
Louder. Yeah.
Tsaka yung nag-uusap sila. Oh, nakita mo, nag-uusap sila, kakaintindihan silang dalawa.
Your cat's your pain. Look at Thomas. Thomas is so big. Look at big.
Come on, Callie. We're going now. Oh, where are you going? Come on.
You say your water.
You touch only one finger, right?
I'll sit down.
No, come on. Tomorrow again.
Sit down.
Pero dyan lang, sasabihin mo yun ako. Minsan punta sila.
Yeah, oo.
I-message niya lang ako. Hindi ko lang naman kami paghapon. Yeah, that's for Tyler.
I'm like the tiniest one.
Oh, you have your table. Go to your table.
This Kaya and this Saya.
Oh, this for Tyler, Callie.
Sabi ko, when Tyler
Oh,
grow,
look at
this is
mine.
for Tyler and this is for Shaya.
Oh.
Ako, nakatawa na. Come on, we're going now.
Yeah.
Shaya.